Today we will learn the absolute value of an integer. So what is the absolute value of an integer? Absolute value of an integer is its numerical value without taking the sign into consideration. Two vertical bars. This represent the absolute value. Absolute value. Let's do few examples. So to write absolute value of an integer, we omit its sign. So for example, absolute value of -5. So absolute value of -5, how we will write? Is equal to -5. We wrote inside the bars, -5. Now we will write whatever the sign inside, we will just omit its sign. So we will write only 5. So the answer is 5. Absolute value of -5, we denote it in this way and the answer will be only 5. Let's do another example. Absolute value of -7. So first inside the bar, we will write -7. And whatever the sign, we will omit the sign. So the answer will be only 7. Absolute value of -7 is equal to 7. So let's do another example. Absolute value of 6. Inside the vertical bar, we will write 6. Absolute value of 6 is 6. So in case of negative, it changed to positive. In case of positive number, when we find the absolute value of a positive number, it will remain positive. So basically what we are seeing over here, just changing the numbers into positive. Let's do the last example. Absolute value of 0. So what will be the absolute value of 0? Let's give the vertical bar. Inside the vertical bar, we will give 0 and the answer will be 0 itself. So far we have learned how to find the absolute value of an integer. In our next video, we will learn how to solve different types of problems on absolute value. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe Math Only Math for more videos. Thank you.